pretty geeks, I have a pretty cool Mail Monday unboxing for y'all today. Now, it has been quite some time since we did one of these, but I got an email for a FabFitFun free trial box, which like you can get like friends to send them out, and they're $5 to cover the shipping cost. And then there are cool freebies inside, and look, it's huge. I mean, I got a baby head, but it's pretty huge. And it's to give you like the sort of idea for what the FabFitFun boxes come with. And obviously the main boxes all have spoilers, and you can see what comes in them, but I kept looking at the trial boxes and there wasn't a whole lot out there about them, and I was like, I don't know, it's $5. I'm like, but I went for it because I don't know, I needed a win, and you know what, I really needed a win today, and I'm so excited. Happiness delivered. So I already cut the tape. Let's open it up. Welcome to your new favorite thing. Well, I've got a lot of favorites. So it has a book and talks a lot about the subscription. Yeah. But it's got some like cute little like grown-up activities. I am a fan. And it's got some cool like actual magazine-ness to it. I dig that. I dig that a lot. Yeah. So I'm looking forward to looking through that. And it has a little note. Oh, I'm going to look at the what's in it later because I love opening and I love the surprise. And I believe it says that there are usually 1 to 2 things in there, but that list has 4 items on it. It is full of the little paper worms. I am obsessed with these. I get them when they clearance out at Easter time. So we got the Kate Somerville Skin Health Experts for All Skin Types Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. So neat. All right. And I think I'm going to do... Oh, hello, pumpkin. I think I'm going to do not so much a try on, but a trial of these, if y'all will be interested, because I've been trying out a lot of skincare stuff lately, and I think it'd be neat.
It's on body.
I see you put it on your body. Oh my.
Put stuff.
Put stuff on your body? Please don't touch my stuff with your SpaghettiO hands. She painted her body in SpaghettiOs. All right, a 100% natural nail and cuticle serum for strengthening. Very cute. It's a little box. Did you know cuticle oils last forever? I followed the Simply Nailogicals thing to make one, and I've gotten to the point where I've personalized it so much that there's so much stuff in it, but I love it. I love it so much. Good idea. Go wash your hands. Lots of soap. And Labido, inspired by nature, aromatic body lotion. Oh my gosh, it's got bergamot, mandarin orange and bergamot. Oh, I'm excited. Oh my gosh, there's a safety seal on it, and you can still smell it. It is the citrus scent, obviously. I am obsessed with bergamot. It instantly puts my brain into a happy place, and yeah, it's got some beautiful ingredients. Don't you come up here, little puppy. I am so excited for this. This is a big container. It's just over 4 ounces. Like, that's nice. I am excited. I'm gonna give that a try in a mo. Let's move SpaghettiOs out of the way here. And holy hugeness. Oh my word. Is a super It's like cushy but lightweight throw, and it's like the softest, lightest gray, almost white. And let's see, I'm gonna start looking here. It's good job turning the water off. You gotta double check it? Double check it, okay. The color is called Gray Ivory. You can totally see that. Let's see if we can get a little bit more light here. Yeah, it's just the softest gray. Oh my gosh. It feels so nice. All right, so I will go back through the prices here as well and open up all the packaging and do a quick run through with y'all in 1 sec. Okay, so the throw is by Mark and Graham. It is color blocked. It's so subtle, but it's got the most subtle stripes on it and a really cute like little fringe detail on the end. And it is marked as $49, which, oh my gosh, it is like lightweight and yet luxe, and I love it. Okay. Oh, it's actually strangely like cozy and plush. Like you can see how thin it is, but here it is like still kind of layers up like that. Like it feels plush but super thin. I am already obsessed. Oh my gosh, okay. Trying to find another phrase for it, but all I can hear in my head is going blanket slut. I love blankets. If they're comfy, they're cozy, they're perfect. All right, let's open up this lotion. Can I see what kind of thickness we have? Oh, thank goodness. It is thick like a hand lotion, which is perfect because I am obsessed with hand lotions. I have been obsessed with the Big Fat Yummies. You want some too? All right, give me your hand, baby. There you go. Rub it in. I love the Big Fat Yummies from Posh. They have been one of my favorites for a long time. Oh, share. Rub the hands together. I started making my own sometimes, but I really just prefer to make like soaps and scrubs. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's good. So it's not like overwhelmingly like Pine Sol cleaner or disinfectant kind of citrus. It's just pretty, and it's actually slightly floral. I love that. That feels amazing. That does sound like the mail. Our packages and our letter mail get delivered separately. Oh, you're gonna go get it? How about you wait for me? I'll go get it. All right, so let's try this out. It's an argan oil. It's vitamin E with lavender, geranium, and ylang ylang. And I don't have my nails painted at the moment.
My nails on.
You want me to share? Yeah.
Mama. Share, Mama.
Hello, baby. So, kind of rub them in, and I didn't squeeze it at all, but I still feel like there's a ton left. Ooh, it smells pretty. What do you think? Do you like the smell?
So.
So. It is a little bit stronger. I don't think this one's good for your hands, Bubba. Okay, this one's a grown-up one. It does absorb pretty well. Can I give you some lotion instead? Maybe in your own spot because you're covered in SpaghettiOs. And I think I will try the exfoliator later because it is an actual treatment. So I think I'll try it out tonight and we'll see how it goes. And I totally forgot to keep going with the prices. So this size for the lotion is a $19 value. The nail and cuticle serum is a $24 value. And the Kate Somerville exfoliating treatment is a $75 value. Holy moly. Oh wow, it is quite quite a good size. It is almost 2 ounces. So I am looking forward to trying that. And I think that's all I've got. I think we're gonna finish doing our SpaghettiO lunch and Bubs has therapy today because we have work on Wednesday, which is her normal therapy day. So we're gonna finish eating. Check the mail. What's this?
Shirt.
Oh, that shirt. Okay. And I think that's it. Okay. Thank you so much for tuning in with me, and I love you so much. Bye-bye.